Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, we're going to talk about how to use AI for budgeting and automating financial services. We'll discuss the benefits of using AI for financial management, tips for choosing the best products for your individual needs, and how to avoid fees. As we all know, budgeting can be a daunting task. However, with the help of AI, we can automate many aspects of financial management and make it easier to keep track of our expenses and savings. Many financial institutions are now incorporating AI into their products and services to provide customers with a better experience. One way to use AI for budgeting is by automating savings accounts. Many banks now offer automatic savings programs that use AI algorithms to analyze your spending habits and automatically transfer money to your savings account. Ali Bank offers a program called Boost Your Savings that analyzes your spending patterns and automatically transfers money to your savings account to help you reach your savings goals. Bank of America offers Keep the Change, which automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings account. Capital One offers AutoSave, which analyzes your spending habits and automatically transfers money to your savings account. Wells Fargo offers Way to Save, which automatically transfers $1 from your checking account to your savings account each time you make a debit card purchase, and also offers personalized savings goals. Discover Bank offers a program called Auto Savers Plan, which automatically transfers a set amount of money from your checking account to your savings account each month. These banks use AI algorithms to analyze your spending habits and automatically transfer money to your savings account, helping you save money without even thinking about it. Another way to use AI is to automate loan payments. Many lenders now offer automatic payment options that use AI to analyze your payment history and adjust your payments accordingly. This can help you avoid late fees and improve your credit score. Credit card companies are also incorporating AI into their products to help customers manage their finances better. Some credit card companies use AI to analyze your spending habits and offer personalized recommendations for rewards programs and credit card offers that fit your needs. Now, let's discuss some tips for choosing the best products for your individual needs. When selecting a bank or financial institution, look for one that offers AI-powered services such as automatic savings programs and loan payment options. You can also consider using a financial management app that uses AI algorithms to help you manage your finances better. Mint helps you create a budget, track your expenses, and offers personalized recommendations based on your spending habits. Personal Capital offers investment tracking, retirement planning, and budgeting tools, and also provides personalized investment recommendations. Albert offers savings recommendations and a cash flow analyzer that helps you understand your spending habits and how to improve them. Clarity Money helps you track your spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and offers recommendations to improve your financial health. Trim helps you save money on bills, find subscriptions you can cancel, and offers personalized recommendations for credit cards and insurance. These apps use AI algorithms to analyze your spending habits, offer personalized recommendations, and automate your finances to make managing your money easier. When choosing a credit card, look for one that offers personalized recommendations based on your spending habits. You can also look for cards that offer cashback or rewards programs that fit your lifestyle and spending habits. Finally, let's talk about how to avoid fees. One of the best ways to avoid fees is to automate your finances as much as possible. By setting up automatic payments and savings programs, you can avoid late fees and overdraft charges. Let's say you have a monthly car loan payment of $300. If you manually make the payment each month, there's a chance you might forget or miss the due date, which could result in late fees and negatively impact your credit score. However, if you set up automatic payments through your bank or the lender, the payment will be deducted from your account each month without you having to do anything. This will ensure that you never miss a payment and avoid late fees or penalties. Additionally, you can set up automatic savings programs to transfer a portion of your paycheck to a savings account each month. This way, you can build your savings without having to manually transfer money each time, and you can avoid any fees associated with overdrafts or insufficient funds. You can also look for financial institutions that offer fee-free accounts and credit cards. Some institutions waive fees if you maintain a minimum balance or use their services for a certain number of transactions per month. In conclusion, using AI for financial management can help you automate your finances and make budgeting easier. When selecting financial products and services, Look for those that offer AI-powered features, personalized recommendations, and fee-free options. With these tips, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.